If you're only using OneNote for basic notes, you are missing out. Let's uncover some hidden gems together. In this video, I'll be giving you a quick tour on how to get started with OneNote, how it helps me, and some honourable mentions that make it work with you. So let's dive in. First up, the basics. Opening a new notebook is as easy as clicking New Notebook. I like to name mine by theme, like projects or scrapbook. Next, add a section. Think of these as dividers, like in a physical notebook. I often use emojis in sections for a bit of flair. And finally, add a page. Each page is like your canvas. You can reorder them, rename them, and make them as creative or as practical as you are. Once you're all set up, the tabs layout is your toolbox. Home for text and tags, insert for your files and your pictures, draw for any kind of sketching, and view for customizing the look. So the first feature I'd like to tell you about is tags. Now, tags are like my secret weapon. You can mark items in your notebook as to do, important, or even create custom tags. And later you can even search across notebooks to find everything you've ever tagged. Kind of like sticky notes, but for your brain. This allows me to sort plans in order of priority, follow up on tasks more efficiently, and digest all of my notes a lot quicker. Now, if you're more of a visual thinker, this next feature is going to work a treat. I mentioned the Draw tab earlier, and the Draw tab is where OneNote becomes a sketchpad. You can doodle, highlight, or use ink to text, which turns handwriting into typed notes. What? The action pen in the Draw tab makes your gestures quick, and Ink Replay lets you watch your strokes back, which is perfect for teaching or reviewing. And with Transcribe, you can even convert audio into text right inside your notes. An absolute game changer for any sort of meeting. With this next feature, it keeps me grounded when I'm juggling a lot of different tasks. Recent Edits is a great feature that shows you everything you've ever worked on in OneNote, so you can retrace your steps or pick up from where you last left off. Now, it's a lifesaver when you're bouncing between different notebooks. So before we wrap up, here's some extra must-use honourable mentions. The first has to be Copilot. And Copilot gives you smart suggestions and summarises to speed up your workflow. Number 2 is sharing. You can collaborate with others in real time within OneNote. And 3 is templates. Start with a structure, but make it your own. Now, these were all quick mentions, but they add a lot of value. So that is my whistle-stop tour of OneNote. You can organise, you can share, work, create, edit, explore, and more with OneNote's built-in features. Now, if you're ready to take that next step and you're a Windows PC user, OneNote's already on your device. And with Microsoft 365, it unlocks even more within OneNote, including Copilot, as well as other productivity apps and 1 TB of cloud storage, working across all of your devices. So I want to thank you for watching. If this video did indeed help you to discover something new, give it a like. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, and in the spirit of collaboration, right? Drop your favourite OneNote trick in the comments. I'd love to hear how you use the app. That's all we've got time for, so hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.